Here's what you want to do. It's simple. Head right out of town, turn right off the main street there, go left there at the tractor, and then you head right over them rolling hills, right past the cool pool of tranquility, right through the beautiful daylight caverns, right through the enchanted forest, and you're right back at home. Right.
And by right, you mean left.
Left is right.
Right is left?
No, left is right.
Right.
So we turn right. Enough already! Let's go!